Dearest mahal, this is it. After 15 years, eto na tayo mahal. Pagkatapos ng lahat na nangyari, narating din natin. Thank you for always making me feel secure in this relationship. Salamat dahil di mo ko iniwan. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko ng pamilya ko. I know you don't like promises, so I just want you to know that from now on, you are my priority. Alam ko kung gaano kabigat yung declaration na yan. But I will try my very best to stand on it. I love you so much. Thank you for this very wonderful gift, a birthday gift that I will treasure until eternity. I know we are blessed because we have each other already. You know how proud I am of you. I am marrying a man with a few words but proven a lot of things. Mahal na mahal kita and I can't wait to spend this lifetime with you. Love of love.
You pray always and reflect His teaching, and the more you do this, God will give you strength and enlightenment para maging matibay at maganda ang inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa.
This horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are.
Christine, bukal ba sa iyo ba yung pagparito upang makaisantitive si Emmanuel na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, bukal po ito sa aking loob.
This adventure we were meant for. Every day is a chance to discover. You give me reason through every season. Together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever strong.
Emmanuel, bukal ba sa iyo loob ay yung pagparito upang makaisantitive si Christine na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, bukal po ito sa akin.
This horizon, oh, it's shining. It seems the daylight knows this is our time. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever strong. Through it all, the world we face.
Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag pag-iwalayin ng tao.
Here we are.